Imagine completing complex data analysis in Excel or creating stunning presentations in PowerPoint with just a few AI-driven commands. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving into how AI integration in Excel and PowerPoint can make your life easier and supercharge your productivity. Did you know that 94% of companies believe that AI will enhance their productivity? That's a staggering number. And today we'll show you how to harness that power. Section 1. What is AI in Excel and PowerPoint? AI in Excel and PowerPoint is more than just automation. It represents a significant leap in how we manage data and presentations. Think of AI as your personal assistant that tirelessly works in the background, leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze, predict, and enhance your workflows. For Excel, AI helps you uncover hidden insights from your data, forecast future trends, and automate repetitive tasks. PowerPoint uses AI to enhance design and layout, ensuring your slides look professional without requiring hours of formatting work. Essentially, AI is here to save you time and improve accuracy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Section 2. AI-powered features in Excel. Let's dive into Excel. Here are some of the key AI-powered features that can revolutionize your spreadsheet experience. Ideas in Excel. How to use. Select your data range and click on the Ideas button in the ribbon. AI analyzes your data and generates insights such as trends and summary statistics. What it does. It's like having a data analyst right at your fingertips. Forecast sheets. How to use. Select your historical data. Go to the Data tab and choose Forecast Sheet. Follow the prompts to create a predictive chart. What it does. This feature leverages historical data trends to predict future values. Data categorization. How to use. Simply enter your data and Excel's AI can automatically categorize it by clicking on data types in the ribbon. What it does. AI classifies and organizes your data for better analysis. Pro tip. To get the best AI-driven insights from Excel, keep your data clean and well-formatted. Remember, garbage in means garbage out. Section 3. AI for data visualization in Excel. Moving on to data visualization. AI can significantly enhance how your data is presented. With Excel's data visualizer, complex data sets can be transformed into visually appealing flowcharts and organizational charts. Did you know that visual data is processed 60,000 times faster than text by our brains? This emphasizes the importance of effective data visualization. How to use. Highlight your data and click on the Insert tab. Then select Recommended Charts to let AI suggest the best visual formats. What it does. AI will recommend the most effective chart based on your data. Pro tip. Utilize Excel's Recommended Charts feature to let AI suggest the best chart type based on your data. It's like having a design consultant at your side. Section 4. AI in PowerPoint. Design made easy. Now let's turn our attention to PowerPoint. One of the most exciting features is the Design Ideas tool powered by AI. How to use. After adding your content, go to the Design tab and select Design Ideas. AI will automatically generate layout suggestions. What it does. This tool creates slide layouts based on your content, be it images, text, or graphs. Pro tip. Feel free to customize AI suggestions. While they give you a solid foundation, personal touches can make your slides uniquely yours and resonate better with your audience. Research indicates that 70% of people report feeling more confident presenting with high-quality visuals. That's a huge boost, and AI can help you achieve this effortlessly. Section 5. AI for content generation in PowerPoint. Need assistance drafting the actual content for your slides? PowerPoint's QuickStarter tool is a lifesaver. How to use. Start PowerPoint, type your topic into the QuickStarter feature, and let AI generate an outline with key points and slide suggestions. What it does. This AI-powered feature can create an outline for your presentation, streamlining your workflow. Pro tip. Use QuickStarter to build a strong foundation for your presentation. Then add your insights, examples, and case studies to give it a personal touch. This is where your expertise shines. Section 6. Integrating Excel data into PowerPoint with AI assistance. AI doesn't just operate in silos. It connects Excel and PowerPoint seamlessly. How to use. Copy a chart from Excel, then paste it directly into PowerPoint. AI will suggest formatting options for a cohesive look. What it does: AI not only transfers the chart, but also recommends how to display the data effectively on your slides. Pro tip: before importing your Excel data into PowerPoint, make sure it's organized and formatted properly. This will ensure a smooth transition and a polished final product. Studies show that visual aids can increase attention up to 65%. So getting this right is essential. Now that you've seen how AI can supercharge your workflows, here are some of the best practices to maximize your use of these tools. Keep your data clean. AI tools work best with well-structured and error-free data. Regularly audit your data sets to maintain quality. Start simple. Let AI suggest improvements, but gradually introduce more complexity as you refine your output. Rome wasn't built in one day. Test AI features. Regularly experiment with ideas and design ideas features to familiar yourself with their capabilities. The more you use them, the better your results will be. Don't rely solely on AI. While AI can provide fantastic suggestions, remember to inject your creativity and expertise into the final product. Your unique perspective is invaluable. There you have it. With AI integrated into Excel and PowerPoint, you can save time, automate complex tasks, and produce professional-grade results faster than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more AI tips and tricks. And drop your thoughts in the comments below. What features are you most excited to try out?